Welcome to our journey through an opulent two-story luxury renovation that masterfully blends contemporary style with timeless marble elegance. Today, we'll take you on a visual experience where sophistication meets functionality, showcasing meticulously designed spaces that redefine modern living. From stunning interiors to breathtaking exteriors, every corner of this home reflects artistry and grandeur. Let's begin our journey in the heart of any home, the living room. Imagine stepping into a space where polished marble floors shimmer under soft, natural light, plush furnishings exude comfort, and the ambiance is both inviting and refined. With cozy sectional sofas, modern fireplaces, and panoramic glass walls opening to serene views, these living room designs are an epitome of luxury. Get ready to experience a blend of warmth and elegance that sets the tone for this incredible home. Next, let's explore the sleek and functional kitchens that redefine modern culinary spaces. With gleaming marble countertops, state-of-the-art appliances, and minimalist cabinetry, these kitchens are designed for both efficiency and elegance. A central island invites family gatherings, while soft lighting adds warmth to the pristine aesthetic. Whether you're a gourmet chef or a casual cook, these kitchens inspire creativity and style. The open layouts and seamless integration with living areas make them a perfect blend of form and function. Get ready to be amazed by the luxurious simplicity of these culinary masterpieces. Retreat into the comfort of these serene bedrooms where luxury meets tranquility. Marble-clad feature walls and soft ambient lighting create a space that's both cozy and grand. Imagine sinking into a plush, king-sized bed surrounded by neutral tones and elegant textures, while floor-to-ceiling windows frame breathtaking views. Each bedroom is a sanctuary, blending comfort with sophistication. Thoughtful design elements like padded headboards and stylish nightstands enhance the experience, making these bedrooms perfect for rest and rejuvenation. Prepare to immerse yourself in the ultimate retreat. step outside to take in the architectural marvel that is this home. From an aerial view, you'll admire the perfect symmetry, sleek marble cladding, and expansive glass elements that define its modern elegance. This two-story design is thoughtfully crafted to balance aesthetic beauty with practical functionality. Manicured gardens and a compact pool complement the clean lines and bold structure. Every angle of this home radiates sophistication, blending contemporary design with timeless materials. Let's take a closer look at this architectural masterpiece. Step into these spa-inspired bathrooms where relaxation meets luxury. Polished marble tiles create a serene backdrop for freestanding soaking tubs and sleek, glass-enclosed showers. Gold and black accents add a touch of glamour, while natural light filters through large windows or skylights, enhancing the calm ambiance. These bathrooms are designed to be your private oasis, offering a tranquil escape from the outside world. Every detail, from the brushed hardware to the minimalist vanities, reflects refined taste. Get ready to indulge in serenity. Experience the art of dining in these elegant marble-clad spaces. With polished marble tables, tufted chairs, and striking pendant lighting, these dining rooms are the perfect blend of style and comfort. Neutral tones and subtle metallic accents create an atmosphere that's both inviting and sophisticated. Whether hosting a dinner party or enjoying a quiet meal, these spaces make every dining experience special. Floor-to-ceiling windows and open layouts add an airy feel, connecting you to the beauty of the home's architecture. Let's feast our eyes on these exquisite dining areas. Finally, step outside to discover breathtaking outdoor spaces that seamlessly merge luxury with nature. Marble-tiled patios, cozy fire pits, and lush greenery create a tranquil setting for relaxation or entertaining guests. Imagine lounging under a modern pergola or enjoying a quiet evening by the fire with friends. The compact yet elegant landscaping enhances the charm, while subtle lighting brings the area to life after sunset. These outdoor spaces are an extension of the home's sophisticated design, offering the perfect retreat for any occasion. Let's savor the beauty of outdoor luxury.